Have you ever wondered how information can be stored securely in a world full of hackers and data breaches? Just imagine a technology that provides an answer to this dilemma. Enter blockchain, the guardian angel of our digital age. In this era where data is gold, safeguarding it is of paramount importance. Now, what is blockchain? Picture a giant, worldwide ledger that isn't stored in one single place. Instead, it's spread across numerous computers all around the globe. This is what we call a distributed ledger. Each computer or node holds a copy of this ledger, constantly checking and updating it. This decentralized nature is what makes blockchain so secure and almost impossible to hack. It's like having a multitude of vigilant sentinels, each keeping an eye on the same treasure chest. In essence, blockchain is a revolutionary technology that ensures data security and transparency. It's the answer to our digital prayers for a safer, more accountable world. How does the blockchain achieve such a high level of security and transparency, you might ask? Well, to understand this, let's first delve into the creation of a block and its addition to the blockchain. Imagine a block as a digital ledger page filled with a list of transactions. Now, each of these transactions is verified by a network of computers, often referred to as nodes. These nodes confirm the validity of the transaction using the history of previous transactions stored in the blockchain. Once confirmed, the transaction is bundled with other verified transactions into a block. The real magic happens when this block is added to the blockchain, but how does it fit in? Each block contains a unique code called a hash, and the hash of the previous block in the chain, forming a link. This hash is like a fingerprint, it's unique to each block, and any change in the block's data modifies the hash. So, altering a block would necessitate changes in all subsequent blocks, which is computationally impractical, ensuring the data's security. And that's where cryptography comes into play. Cryptography is a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format. It's used to convert the transactions in a block into a hash. This ensures that the data within the block is secure and cannot be altered without changing the hash, which would break the chain. Now, on to decentralization. In a decentralized network, like the blockchain, there is no central authority. Instead, the control is distributed among the network's nodes. Each node has a complete copy of the blockchain and contributes to the consensus on each transaction's validity. This means that even if a single node is compromised, the others can keep the network running, further enhancing the blockchain's security. Moreover, decentralization contributes to transparency. Since each node has a copy of the blockchain, all transactions are open for verification by any participant. This creates an environment where everyone can see what's happening, but no single participant can alter the data. Through a combination of cryptography and decentralization, blockchain offers an unprecedented level of data security. So, we've established how blockchain works, but what does this mean for you and me? Well, let's imagine a world where blockchain weaves into the fabric of our everyday lives. It has the potential to revolutionize various sectors, from finance to healthcare, and even supply chain management. In finance, it's the backbone of cryptocurrencies, enabling transactions that are secure, transparent, and decentralized. In healthcare, blockchain could ensure the privacy and integrity of patient records, while in supply chain management, it could provide a transparent and tamper-proof record of product journeys from origin to consumer. But beyond these industries, the real magic of blockchain lies in its potential to redefine privacy and security in the digital world. In an era where data breaches are all too common, blockchain offers a beacon of hope. In a world where data is king, blockchain technology paves the way for a more secure and transparent digital future. With such a revolutionary technology at our disposal, what does the future hold? As we stand on the precipice of a new era, it's clear that blockchain technology has the potential to reshape the world as we know it. It's not just about cryptocurrencies. It's about creating a decentralized, transparent, and secure digital infrastructure. Yet, the road to this future is not without its challenges. Scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory hurdles need to be addressed for widespread adoption. But these are not insurmountable obstacles. They are invitations to innovate, to problem solve, to push the boundaries of what's possible. This is just the beginning. Blockchain is a vast, uncharted territory waiting to be explored. So, let's continue to learn, to question, to understand. Let's demystify this technology and harness its full potential. Because the future of blockchain is not just about technology, it's about people, it's about you and me. The future of blockchain is exciting and full of potential. The question is, are you ready to be a part of it?